Hello everyone, this is Peak Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and in this clip you will see my completed colours for my earlier drawing of the Flash, which I'll put on the screen for you right here now. Now just one quick thing to notice here is that the current picture here is you're seeing the pencils and the inks, and you'll see here where I've put in the energy lines for the pose. Now when it comes to colouring, I've actually changed the picture. So I've taken away all of the energy lines that I've put in this previous picture. So you will see the picture now here, which shows the energy lines gone. And that's because I will put in the energy lines in colour. So that's why in the previous picture I didn't ink the energy lines, I just left it in pencil. And now you'll see here in this current version where I'll put in the colour for the energy lines around the pose. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this coloured version of the Flash. If you'd like to see me draw any other characters from the Flash's universe, for example one of his rogue villains, then let me know in the comments below, or any other characters from DC or Marvel or Image Comics or any other franchise, then let me know in the comments below and I can see if I can provide a drawing for you in the long run. Please also hit those like and subscribe buttons and help me grow this channel in the future to continue providing you with high quality content. Future drawings in the short term would include Supergirl, Wolverine, Sentry and Spawn. So those will be the next 4 pictures coming up in the future. But as I said, if you've got any further suggestions, let me know in the comments and I will see if I can provide more artwork for you in the future. And I also provide more links to my artwork in the description, including my Instagram and DeviantArt profiles. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoyed my coloured picture of the Flash.
made a bit. Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz.
It's rum.